In this video, I will build a full-featured video call app using a WebRTC service platform, Zegocloud. This video call app will have all special features like real-time chat, whiteboard, screen sharing, group calling, and more as we explore. I won't be dealing with coding logic for these features, and here's what the Zegocloud stands out, solving these complex problems. Zegocloud is a world-leading real-time audio and video cloud service provider that helps you to build video call live streaming chat apps quickly. Zegocloud provides pre-built variety of UI kits, APIs that make it super simple to build video call apps with low code. Get started with only 3 steps with these UI kits. Install the UI kits, integrate it, and build the experience. They include everything you need to get started, from user interface to backend integration, all designed to help you create high-quality video call apps quickly. You can register on their website using my link in the description and receive over 10,000 free minutes. Let's roll to the coding part. First, I will create a new React boilerplate with npx create React app. Until the app is on setup, let me introduce you to the actual step-by-step guide of this video. I will make this video call app with these steps, from creating React boilerplate to integrating Zegocloud UI Kit. Also, let's understand why I chose Zegocloud for this video call app. To understand how Zegocloud helps developers to make real-time apps like video call live streaming, you need to know about WebRTC. WebRTC stands for Web Real-Time Communication. It's a technology that enables audio, video, and data sharing directly with the user's web applications. While WebRTC is powerful, it can be really complicated to use. This sharing of data needs to handle connections between users, manage media streams, and deal a lot of networking details. Even if you created a real-time video call connection with the user using WebRTC, you have to struggle in creating a basic functions like mic, camera, screen sharing, whiteboard feature, and others. This is where the Zegocloud helps. Zegocloud provides tools, APIs, and its pre-built UI kit that makes WebRTC easy. With Zegocloud, you don't have to worry about the whole front-end and back-end. You get those pre-built video call apps with very less code. The React app is created, and let's now verify it by starting the development server with npm start. Next, I will have to clean up by deleting unnecessary files that are actually not needed for our project. I will also clean up the app.js and index.js files to remove any default content and set up a clean state for our application. And start by making a folder of components that will hold 2 files, home.jsx and VideoCall.jsx. The home component will be the landing page where the users can enter a room ID and join the video call. The video call component will handle the video call interface. Here our first step is clear, and let's now move to the next step, creating the router for this video call app. For routing, we need React Router DOM dependency. So npm install React Router DOM. Import create browser router. and this will have an array of objects with two values, path and element. For instance, the home path slash will render the home component. The auto import is not working, so I need to import it manually. And the video call path slash video slash room ID will render the video call component. The router is working great. So now I will start with designing the home page. The home page will include a container with a div for home section and a heading. I will also add an input element that accepts the room ID from the user. And a button to join the video call room. Now to navigate the user from home to this new room, I will use navigate hook from React Auto DOM. This hook will redirect the user to the video call component with the room ID in the URL. A use_state hook for the room ID. With initial value as empty string, and set these values to the input with onChange attribute. So this function will navigate the user to the video call page with room ID in the URL. Once the user enters the room ID and clicks the join button, they will be redirected to the video call interface. The function is working great. So now I will design the home with CSS. Here the user is redirected to the video call page with the room ID in the URL. At this point our home design is completed, and now I can update the to-do list. The router is created and also the home is designed. We have just 3 steps left. Now use my link in the description and sign up to the Zegocloud to get 10,000 free minutes. Fill your details and start your free trial. I already have an account, so I will go with login. The Zegocloud dashboard has a very simple UI. You can explore more about this. But for now, click here to create a new project and select the video call service. Enter your project name and get started with the UI kits. This may take less than a minute. When created, get into the project and you will get your app ID and server secret. Let's go straight with the documentation of the UI kit built for developers. For React, install this package. Now to access the room 1 as params, the React Outer DOM has the property use params to access the room ID. Now let's move to the main function to set up and start the video call. To keep my app ID secret, I will create a variable.js. To declare and export the app ID and server secret variable. And now copy paste the app ID and server secret from the project. Also make sure the server secret is set to string. And import this app ID and server secret. Further, I will just copy code from the Zegocloud documentation. This generate kit token handles the backend of the video call app. And this function will have parameters of app ID, server secret, and this parameter is for user ID. The user ID must be unique for every user, hence I will use date.now function. And this will be the default name for the user. The user can change his name in-app when joining. I need to refer this function with an HTML element. Also for this, I will copy from the documentation. The point is that this page is pre-built UI of the Zegocloud. This is the default username which is in generate kit token. This is the link which copied to other tab can join the same room. Now let's start the call. Your Zegocloud has the pre-built all functions for mic, camera, screen sharing, and also the real-time chat. The screen sharing is actually smooth, but it may seem lag because I am recording. Now for the whiteboard feature, I will go with same as documentation. To integrate the whiteboard, two methods, but for now I will install the package for the whiteboard feature. and just import and integrate this in my app. And when I join again, I can see the whiteboard feature. Also, this whiteboard has all pre-built features that you actually need for presenting in video call. The whiteboard is updated in real time with the users on video call. It also has a layout changing feature. This will work only for group calling. And here our project is completed with all these steps. Zegocloud UI Kit made this very easy for developers to integrate a video call system in any website. You can check many other features of Zegocloud on their website. And for the source code, you may have my GitHub link in the description for free.